洗手，保护好眼睛、鼻和口，待在家宁愿没朋友。我们不要 corona， 运动甩手，保持清洁，病毒赶走，保护好家人和朋友。我们不要 corona。
Hi, welcome to TTAIC. I'm facilitator Annie, and hope you guys like our dance. And we try to teach you how to wash your hand correctly, right?
Yeah.
And welcome our distinguished speaker, Dr. Yu.
Hello, I'm Yu Juanta. My name is, you can call me Kevin or Dr. Yu.
Yes, you
Nice to
are
meet you.
Radiologist,
Yes,
right?
I'm a radiologist.
Okay, I'm a doctor as well. Can you tell? You can't?
No kidding. What division you are?
Plastic surgery, and that's my daytime job. And because today car gym, so I don't have time to change my uniform.
Oh, really?
So I'm a doctor actually, and facilitator for TTAIC.
Oh, really? Fantastic.
Why are you so serious? So Kevin, do you like animals? I mean, not pet, not
of course.
cat or dog.
I love many animals except the bat.
Except the bat because coronavirus. Okay. So how often do you watch Animal Plants or National Geographic?
Occasionally.
Occasionally, because you don't have time.
Yeah, there's no so much time to watch TV.
Because you are saving people's life.
Yeah, it's a busy job.
Okay. Yeah, me too. I try to build people's confidence when I'm doing the plastic surgery. Yeah, and I forgot to take off my glass. So you saving people's life, and there are lots of animals. They're facing like mass extinction, and they need the help. So really. What do you think what we can do for them? Book the ticket, fly to Africa, and hunt the poachers? Is impossible, right?
Yeah, it's not practical.
Okay.
If it's me, I will build an AI system to do the face recognition, to trace the hunter and to trace the animal.
So does it work at midnight? Because the hunter.
Of course.
How did you know?
How do you know?
Okay, I think we can find the answer in today's video clip, right? Okay. Video.
Resolve is a small nonprofit. We look at trying to save the world's large mammals and prevent the 6th mass extinction from getting any worse.
They began developing an AI-powered anti-poaching device they call TrailGuard.
TrailGuard at its core is a motion capture camera designed to help prevent poaching.
Thanks to the amazing invention of a new chip, it brings artificial intelligence to the edge, to the chip itself.
So what we've done is input this very powerful computer chip called a vision processing unit. All the pictures that the camera trap is taking will go through this VPU chip, and it'll figure out if there is a person present or not, and only send you the pictures where there's a person. So it's going to reduce like 95% of that noise that you're getting.
Wow.
It has an AI algorithm in it, which looks at every single picture and sees if this is a picture that the park rangers are interested in. And right now, they really just want to know if there is a person going past.
The algorithm is fed thousands of images of both humans and animals. It analyzes body shapes, facial geometry, movement, and other features until it learns how to distinguish one from the other, from any angle, in any light.
It takes a picture whenever any motion happens in front of it. But the AI is going to send only images of people going past.
Image recognition is looking at an image and understanding what's in it. It's a perfect example of something that we take for granted. Human beings can just, look at an image and understand what's there without even thinking about it. But it's actually an incredibly hard problem. Amazingly, we actually have computers now who, at least within certain parameters, can do this as well as human beings can.
The beauty of this system is, here in the Mara, the amount of time it takes from when the poacher walks in front of the camera to when it says, that's a human, and sends it to the headquarters under 2 minutes.
We would be able to then deploy a ranger team to that site and hopefully make an arrest before they've even had a chance to come in and kill those animals.
We need to lower the detection probability so we don't miss anything.
We don't mind if we get false positives, but we don't want to get false negatives. That is, a human going by and the AI did not detect it.
What I think I'm worried about is that at night it's going to be even harder for it to pick it up. One of the hardest things with deploying technology is you're never exactly sure how it's going to work in the field. There are a million different things that could go wrong.
Anna, Eric, and the Rangers head out to the Mara Reserve to set up the cameras for their first ever real-world test.
The parks in Africa are really large because the big mammals that live there need really big spaces in order to survive. That really complicates the problem of trying to protect them. But the reality is that poaching incursions are not random. In fact, poachers actually try to follow trails because they want to get in and out as fast as they can.
This is beautiful up here.
There's about 10 major access routes that account for 80% of all the poacher traffic.
I think this is where the elephants normally come.
What might be more inconspicuous? What do you think?
Well, this will be the best because it will be facing exactly where the elephants are coming from.
I think. And also it's narrow. I want to hide it behind this branch.
Here.
How's that, Eric?
Excellent.
This looks
It's okay
awesome.
now. So you have the view. Poachers would not even suspect that there's a ranger or a camera here. This is a hidden ranger.
Hidden ranger.
Yeah.
So tonight, my friends and I are going to play a little bit of cat and mouse game with the cameras they put out. We're going to mimic the action of poachers. Let's see if the cameras catch us.
Does the artificial intelligence work at night? Which is the critical thing because a lot of poaching happens at night.
Night is also more difficult for image recognition. Details and features are harder to see. So, for this test, the AI will have to rely on a narrow data set.
We knew that it works in the lab in the United States, but that's not the same.
So this is a trail that's both being used by elephants and by poachers?
We think so, yeah.
12 miles away at MEP headquarters, the team waits for a trigger from TrailGuard.
All right, well here I see 4 images have come in.
The AI's computer vision has detected something. Person, animal, or other.
So let's check the first one.
Fingers crossed that this works.
Hey!
There it is.
Well done, guys.
Awesome.
Got a poacher.
So good. I am over the moon. I'm so excited that the demo worked.
Oh, great.
Nice.
2 for 2. Yeah.
Yes. Oh, so good.
Nice, 4 for 4. That's pretty good.
Catching poachers has really been a sort of cat and mouse behavior, if you like. The TrailGuard really is giving us this new edge. We will get the poachers now before they've even had a chance to come in and kill the wildlife.
Very nice camera,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yes.
And it does work at midnight.
Very clear.
Very clear. Yes, so does the video have a strong correlation related with the topic we're going to talk about?
A little bit related.
A little bit, and so it's yes or no, or both?
Maybe we
we're not
use
going
the same technology.
Oh, okay. I thought you may say no, because we're not talking about animals today.
Okay. Maybe human is a kind of
Creature.
creature.
Okay, so now we're going to talk about health exam report.
Yes.
and the ICD coding system, right?
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Let's go. Hello, everyone. I'm Yu Juanta. You may call me Kevin or Dr. Yu. Today, I'm going to share some of my experience about implementing a hospital-scale AI system. In the beginning, I will tell 3 stories about the AI system in our hospital. The first is the health exam report system. The second is ICD code system. And the third is X-ray lung tumor detection. And the next, I will talk about the infrastructure and the labeling system. Those systems are a very important part in the AI ecosystem. And it provides the data for the AI to do the training. And the next, I will share some modeling and training techniques which may improve the model's performance and accuracy. And the last, I will introduce some method to choose the right hardware for yourself or for your companies. And in the last, the learning resource is optional. Let's shortly introduce myself. I'm a radiologist. Radiologist is a kind of doctor who reads the medical image to make a diagnosis.
Yes.
That's my daily job.
So you can see through people's.
Yeah, I see through people.
Heart.
I see thousands of hundreds of thousands people's image. And I will talk about how I use AI to do my job, to let AI help my job. I work at the Tong's Metro Harbor Hospital in Taiwan, Taichung.
Oh, I'm from Taichung as well. Very good city. I'm so proud.
Okay, we're friends.
We're friends and we're kind of family.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. I am the CIO, Chief Information Officer of the hospital. And I'm also the Director of Premium Health Exam Center. And later, I will talk about the health exam reporting system, which we have built for the hospital. And last, I have 4.5 children.
4.5?
Yeah.
What is that 0.5
It's interesting.
one?
Actually, I have 4 real children.
Okay.
And the rest of the 0.5 is AI.
It's AI?
Yes.
Wow, where is it?
It's in my computer.
Oh, wow. Can I see, sorry, son or daughter?
Her name is Annie.
Okay, so
Okay,
actually you have 5.5 children now, okay?
Really?
Daddy.
Okay. Kidding, that's kidding. For I have studied AI for several years. My oldest child now is about 5-year-old. Let's take a look at it. The first story. In 2014, when I first time came to my hospital, I found the reporting system of the health exam center is really crappy.
Very creepy.
Crappy.
Oh, wow. Oh.
Yeah.
Why?
It's terrible.
Terrible.
It's cost about 30 minutes to produce a single health exam report.
30 minutes?
Yes.
Wow.
I
Quite a
barely
long time.
I barely can bear it. So I wrote a program for myself, which the programs reduce the time from 30 minutes to 5 minutes.
Wow.
And I show it to my boss. My boss was amazed and surprised.
Yeah, you amaze your boss. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Wow.
He gave me the budget. And
How much? Oh, sorry.
It's a secret.
Sorry.
Except the budget, he also gave me some human resource from the IT department. He wanted me to roll out a new health exam system. This is where we start. We use some machine learning and the statistical method to build the system. Let's see the video. First, we open the health exam report you will find the diseases are automatically triaged into its corresponding categories.
Okay.
And you can see the disease of the severity of the disease and the follow-up schedule and the follow-up department is automatically assigned. And the doctor's suggestion is generated by the AI. And after checkup by the doctor can click save the file.
Yes.
And as soon as we click the save file, the website report is generated instantly.
Very fast.
Yeah. All the diagram and the text are integrated into the report. We don't have any manual operations. And all the reports are integrated into the website report. You know, before this, our staff used Microsoft Word to do the all the things that the AI do. You just see.
Yeah.
It costs a lot of time. Because
time is money. Spend a lot of time and money.
You
wasting life.
Our staff is copy paste every day. Do the same thing.
Well, I need this because I'm a doctor as well.
Yeah.
You know.
That's typical.
Yeah,
work.
and I should know this.
Yeah. And after this system, we reduce the report time from 30 minutes to 1 minute.
Wow.
And the due date performance raised up from the 69% to 98%. This is a dramatic improvement.
Exactly.
Yeah. But someone told me, he thinks it is not AI.
I mean, why not?
And I asked him, what do you suppose to be AI? He said, it is not deep learning. It cannot think by itself. I said to him, even deep learning cannot think by itself.
Of course.
Because it's a mathematical function and some parameters behind the deep learning. I think many people has the misunderstanding about AI.
Yeah.
Because deep learning is a kind of machine learning, as you see in the chart. Machine learning is a kind of method to achieve artificial intelligence. In fact, AI has many branching fields like machine learning, deep learning, or natural language processing, NLP, or speech recognition, and the expert system, and robotics, and computer vision. Those are called AI. Those are the methods to achieve AI. I have to emphasize one thing. Whatever technology you use, whether it is simple or complex model, if you use the right technology in the right situation, it works and it produces great value. Let's see the next story.
After 2 years.
Yes. In 2016, my boss gave me more budget.
Okay, how much? Write down to show me.
We'll talk about it later.
Okay, thank you, Daddy. Okay.
We roll out ICD coding system. Use some NLP, stand for natural language processing, and search engine techniques. ICD stands for International Classification of Disease. It is crucial for the health insurance payment. Of course, it is very important to the finance of the hospital. So this system is very, very valuable. We use natural language processing technology to extract the keywords from medical records, and also use search engine techniques to search the ICD by the keyword. And the system is aimed to consistency and correctness and efficiency of the coding. before the system, our coder staffs have to look up to the ICD manual, which look like this. They have to look up the ICD in such a book, and you know it costs a lot of time. Mm-hmm. And after the system have implemented it, we can see. We may input natural language. It will pop out the ICD code. We can even input an abbreviation or the ICD version 9 code, even ICD version 10 code. In other words, you can input everything, anything you can imagine. And the system achieved a top 1 accuracy up to 89%. The amazing part is it saves about 9,800 hours per year for coders and 1,000 hours per year for doctors. If you transform it into the salary, you can imagine how big the value it is.
Exactly.
Yeah.